Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.